Hello, fellow developers. I'm Ida Drogan, the lead developer at SilverCord-VR Studio. And today I'm going to show you how easily you can turn any generated texture into a seamless one and then bake it into an optimized asset for maximum material performance. To follow along, make sure you've added our seamless wrap system to your project. The system already includes a demo texture generator called Amoeba Color Noise, and I'll use it to demonstrate the full optimization workflow. Step 1. Create a material instance of the generator. Go to Seamless Wrap Materials Master and find the generator's master material Amoeba Color Noise. Create a material instance and assign it to any mesh in your scene. It's simply more convenient to tweak parameters this way. You can use any generator with this pipeline. We have full documentation on our website explaining how to integrate your own procedural generators. Amoeba Color Noise creates an organic, amoeba-like color pattern with soft fractal noise, UV distortion, level shaping, and final mapping into a user-defined 6-color palette. It ships with the seamless wrap system, and you're free to use it in your own projects. Like all procedural generators, Amoeba Color Noise is not seamless, so the seam on the sphere is very visible. Let's fix that. Step 2. Bake the generator texture. Open the editor utility widget called UI Texture Baker Seamless Generator, located in Seamless Wrap Texture Baker Seamless Generator. Open the Graph tab and find the source material variable in the class defaults list. Assign your generator material here. Save and run the utility widget. By default, the Baker outputs a 1024 by 1024 B7 RGBA texture with sRGB enabled, saved into the same folder where the Baker itself is located. You can freely adjust all of these settings. Once the baked texture appears in the target folder, you can treat it like any other asset, rename it, move it, delete it, whatever you need. Step 3. Make the texture seamless using Seamless Texture Wrap. Now we need a seamless version of this baked texture. Go back to Seamless Wrap, Materials, Master, and create a new material instance from MS Seamless Wrap Demo. This is just an intermediate material. You can delete it later. Assign your baked texture from the previous step to the texture parameter. As you can see, the default Seamless Texture Wrap settings already remove the seam. However, you may still notice a thin line at the join. This happens because Seamless Wrap uses frac on UV. Mipmap sampling pulls pixels from the opposite side of the texture, causing mipmap seam artifact. These artifacts will disappear after the final bake. Don't forget to set texture tiling equals 1 and save the material. Step 4. Final bake, Seamless Texture Bake. Now open the second baker, specifically designed for materials that use Seamless Texture Wrap. You'll find it here, Seamless Wrap Texture Baker, Seamless Texture, and its name is EW Texture Baker Seamless. Same as before, open the Graph tab. Find source material, assign the intermediate material you just configured. Save and run the widget. Adjust the settings, set your final texture name, and click Bake. This is your final seamless texture generated from the procedural source. You can now use it anywhere as a normal static asset. Step 5. Preview the result. The system includes a simple demo material called Simple Texture Demo, which uses a regular texture as base color. Create an instance of this demo material. Assign your final baked texture, and you'll see the finished result. A unique, fully seamless texture in a highly optimized material. If you compare shader complexity, you'll see the intermediate material, before the second bake, is already simpler than the procedural generator. The original generator material with real-time seam fixing is even heavier. However, you can still use seamless texture wrap in real time with your generators if material optimization isn't your priority, or if your generator function is lightweight enough. Thank you for watching. All links to the documentation and the seamless wrap system by SilverCord-VR Studio are in the description below. May your textures be lightweight and beautiful.